Mr. Sahil Ali Mohamed.
Hi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Karibu sana. What would you like to become after you graduate?
Yeah, obviously, what I like to become since a grown up. Yeah, I love being photographer, and
That's why you can.
yeah, that's why I have my camera, and
Nikon camera.
yeah, and I want to be a professional tour guiding. Yeah, that's all.
Sure, with this kind of gears.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
amazing.
It is amazing. Okay, and what specialization do you really want to become?
Yeah, I'm specializing now on my bedding list.
You are bedding. You want to be a professional bedding guy.
Yeah.
So you start with the bedding list.
Yeah, I'm starting with the bedding list, and photographing is follow.
Okay, you take photos of the
Photograph of beds. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
And,
that's.
how do you maintain this list?
I usually used to write my beds. So
The notebook.
yeah, I have my notebook. So when I get the bed, when I have in my head already, so I'm usually like to write here so that I can note my list of beds until they will fill my notebook until here.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
till
I see
then.
there are some signatures here in the school stamp.
Yeah,
That's for checking.
yeah, that's for checking if
You are correct.
yeah,
And
if
I can see now you have like 104.
124. Yeah,
Wow. This last one is African Paradise.
African Paradise Flea Catcher.
Beautiful bird.
Yeah, I saw that body there at Garasero.
Garasero.
Yeah, Garasero Forest. Yeah, on Saturday.
Wow, you were excited?
Yeah, excited about that.
Absolutely. And how many places have you visited so far?
Yeah, it's like 6.
6 of them.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. The first one is Kisese, there in Magugu, Manyara.
Manyara.
Magugu Babati. And the second one is Garasero.
Garasero.
Third one is Duluti. The fourth one is Songota. Yeah, and the fifth one is Mtombo. Yeah.
Yo, you are so interested.
Yeah, interested in beds because I have my binocular too.
Okay, you have a binocular.
Yeah, so
that's very important.
yeah, and book.
And a book.
Yeah.
Guidebook.
So I have those manual and I have those gears. So make me feel it's easy to identify them.
That.
Yeah, I can do it.
What is your target? Like, how many species at the top of your?
I think it's more than I don't know all of them. I want to know
Like
the
to
best.
be even 700, 1,000.
Even 1,000 of them, even 1,000,000 if they are there.
There are not millions. Okay, yeah, having a camera and a binocular, etc. And I could ask you one question. Does your history have something to do with your passion now?
Yeah, of course.
Where you grew up, where you studied?
Yeah, I remember everything.
Because of where you came from?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I can say maybe it's
Where did you study?
the thing which make me be like this.
Big
It's
passion
my
in
school.
guiding.
Yeah, that's why my passion comes from my school.
Okay.
Yeah, the school which growing up, Manyara Ranchi Primary School.
Manyara.
Yeah, Manyara Ranchi Primary School. The school was 7 kilometers from town,
town.
Makuyuni.
Yeah.
So when you go there, it's just like a forest.
It's a lot of vacation.
Yeah, it's just like a conservation area.
Okay.
So the animal were there, lion, leopard.
Really?
Yeah, there's giraffe and a zebra.
Okay. So you grew up seeing all this,
Seeing all the animals.
You're very lucky.
Yeah, and there is a lot of guides over there, and
See them.
yeah, even the clients were there. Yeah,
Tourists came to
tourists.
see you.
Yeah, so that's the life which make me be like this and the experience.
You want to study, and I want to become a guide like these guys here. Wow, that's very interesting.
Yeah, I'm in love with it.
And when are you planning to graduate?
On July.
July next.
Yeah, 7th July.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
I'm so happy to have you.
Me
Very
too.
happy to have you. Thank you
you,
very
sir.
much. And I hope to see you again.
Me
I wish
too.
you success in the birding profession.
Yeah.
I want to see you with your own website and all those kind of.
I wish.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day you'll see me on the top of level.
Inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Wow. Same to you.
Yeah.
Wow.